way!
Look, Team Umizoomi is heading this way!
Oh no! They're trying to get the stop button back!
Well, then we'll just have to stop them with some trouble! Trouble, big trouble, big trouble, hooray! Turn those bottles into giant bottles!
Ha-ha! They'll never get past those!
Buffering barricades! The troublemakers blocked our way with these huge bottles!
And they won't budge! We need to find some way to knock them over.